Okay, I thought I'd spend a day reviewing before the test tomorrow. So, factoring out the GCF. So first you look to see what is the biggest number that goes into this number and this number. And in this case, it's 4. Then you look to see, is there the same variable in both terms? And there is not, so it's not part of the GCF. So then you say 4 times what is 4x? That'd be x. 4 times what is 16? And that'd be 4. So this one, what's the biggest number that goes into 9, 8, and 7? It'd be 1. Is there an x in every term? Yes. What's the smallest power? 4. So it'd be x to the 4th. So it'd be 9x squared plus 8x, because x to the first times x to the fourth, when you multiply two things in the same base, you add the powers, minus 7, because 7 times x to the fourth is 7x to the fourth. So this one, what's the biggest number that goes into 4, 8, and 16? And that is 4. Is there an x in every term? Yes. The smallest power is x to the fourth. So it'd be 4x to the 12th. When you multiply two things in the same base, you add. 4 plus 12 is 16. Minus 4 times 2 is 8. X to the fourth times x to the fourth is x to the 8th. Plus 4x to the fourth times 1 is 4x to the fourth. So do these two right now for me, please. You might have to freeze the video. Okay, so what's the biggest number that goes into 9 and 27? 9. Is x in both terms? No. Here, what's the biggest number that goes into 20, 19, and 18? 1. X to the fourth. X is in every term. Smallest power is 4. So it'd be 20x to the fourth plus 19x third plus 18. Okay, do this one for me right now, please. And then turn me back on when you're done. Okay, so the biggest number would be 4. X is in every term. Smallest power is 8. So what do you multiply this by to get this? And that'd be 5x to the 12th plus 4x to the 8th plus 2. 2. Okay, difference of squares. If you have a square minus a square, and this is x squared is x squared, and 9 is 3 squared, you write it, what are you squaring plus what are you squaring? What are you squaring minus what you're squaring? So this would be 4 squared minus x squared. So it'd be 4 plus x, 4 minus x. Hey. So here it'd be 5x squared minus 1 squared. So it'd be 5x squared plus 1, 5x squared minus 1. So this one, what do you square? Minus what are you squaring? So remember, when you have a base to a power, then to another power, you multiply. So this would be x cubed. 3 times 2 is 6. And this would be y to the 5th. 5 times 2 is 10. So it'd be x cubed plus y to the fifth, x cubed minus y to the fifth. Kind of running out of room here. So this would be 9x, then raised power, multiply, so this would be 5. 7y to the fourth squared. So it'd be 9x to the fifth plus 7y to the fourth. 9x to the fifth minus 7y to the fourth. So, do these for me right now, please, and then turn me back on when you're done. So this would be x plus 10, x minus 10. This would be 6 minus x, 6 plus x. This would be 11x cubed plus 1, 11x cubed minus 1. This one would be x to the 6th plus y to the 7th. I said x to the 6th and wrote x to the 3rd. This would be x to the 6th minus y to the 7th. This one, holy cheese, 8x plus 13 y to the squared. 8x minus 13y to the square. Okay, so I just kind of wanted to review some of this.